In this video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default web browser. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, maybe you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser because it's the browser that you prefer to use. Or maybe you just have links and files on your PC that you want to open up with Google Chrome. To get started, what you need to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and type settings. Underneath best match, you should see settings come up. Give that a click to open up your settings window. Then what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto apps, and on the apps window, come and click onto default apps, which is just towards the top, this option here. Now what you need to do is set the default for applications to Google Chrome. To do this, click onto the search box here and search for Chrome, and Google Chrome should come up. Give it a click. At the very top, you're going to see the option to make Google Chrome your default browser. So at this point, just click onto set default. Once you've done that, just scroll through these different file extensions and types as well, and make sure everything is set to Google Chrome. If you notice anything that's not set to use Google Chrome as default, just simply click onto the file location, and then it's going to ask you to select a default app for this link. So of course you would select Google Chrome from the list, click onto set default, and then you are good to go. So that is how to make Google Chrome your default web browser. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.